In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a product manually in Shopify. Products can be accessed from Products in the left-hand menu and then All Products. Here I have a list of products which have been created. The status of a product can be active or draft. Active means it will be available in your shop, and draft means it won't be available. We click on a product title, we can see the details for the product. This is a physical product. You can opt to track the quantity of the product, so you can toggle this on and off, at which point you can then change the quantity available. If you click Inventory History, you will see the history of inventory movements for this product. Ticking Continue Selling when out of stock will allow you to go into negative inventory. If you tick this as a physical product, you can add the weight, which will be used for shipping purposes. For example, if you set a shipping table which calculates the rates based on weight, then that weight will be used. Customs information can be added here. This is sometimes passed to a courier if the product is being exported. You can set country of origin, for example China, and also the HS code. You can search an HS code here and you'll have a selection of different HS codes. HS codes are used when items are being exported across borders. Different products may incur different duty, and that will be based on the HS code. If you do not include an HS code on the product which is being exported, it may hold up the product from being delivered, or it may mean the product is returned. So far we have created a single product, i.e. a product which comes only in one design. Clicking Save will save the product. If you have a product which comes in multiple options such as sizes or colours, you can create the product as a variant product. A product can be variated on multiple levels. So we might choose to variate it by size. So we'd have size 1, I'm pressing return after entering each item, size 2 and size 3. And another item might be the colour. And we can have blue, green and black. This will then create down here the different options. So you have size 1 blue, size 1 green, size 1 black, etc. Each can have a different price and a different quantity and a different SKU. So we'd call that 1 blue, and we'd call this -1 green. Once you've added the variants and saved it, the inventory option for the individual product will be removed, and you'll only be able to add the inventory at the variant level. Each variant has its own quantity, its own price, its own SKU and its own barcode. By clicking Edit next to the variant, you will be able to edit all the different attributes for each variant. You can toggle between them. Here you can change the options, add images which are specifically for that variant, change the pricing, cost per item, the SKU, the quantity, the shipping, everything like for a single product. To see how a product will look on the live side, click View on the top right hand side. This is a variant product, so we get drop downs for the different sizes. So I want to buy size 2 in green. That is what will be added to the cart that is what will be added to the cart when the buy button is selected. If it was a single item, you would not see these drop downs. On the right hand here are some other options. You have the product type. You can set the standard product type for the product, which will help you with reporting. You can also add tags. Tags can be used to filter products and also to automatically add products to collections. Down the bottom here we have the search engine preview. That'll show you how the search engine information, the title and the metadata is created from the description, the title you have created. It'll automatically use the title here, but you can amend that. So I've just added the name of the brand at the end, and the description will be used for the meta description. And you can also change the handle. So you could say, I've just added blue on the end. That will be the URL for this product. And we'll just save the details. With products, you have the option to add an unlimited number of meta fields. These are additional attributes which can be used to record information about the product. So I've created a field here called example field, which is a color. So you can select, that's the 6-letter hex code, or you can just type in green. And then it's automatically selected green there. These meta fields are created from settings. In meta fields, you can create a number of different meta fields. I'm going to click here, that's the example field. I'll add a definition. Let's call this size. And you can select the content type, which is a measurement, a weight measurement, for example, and you can then add a minimum weight, which could be 1 gram, and a maximum weight, which could be 10,000 grams, and then save that and it will appear on the product. So if we go back to the product and look at the product, we will see size can be entered here. The inventory levels for products can be manually edited by clicking the inventory option. We can either add to the current quantity or we can set it at that level. So if I want to add 5, that'll move that to 6, but if I want to set it to 10, then it'll change 6 to 10. And you can see here you've got the single products and each of the variant options. Here you can see what it'll do when it's sold out. It'll stop selling. If we change the option here to continue selling when out of stock and then save that and then go back to inventory, it'll say continue selling for that product.